Hello everyone. So this is a vacuum cleaner. So a vacuum cleaner is used instead of a broom because when you use a broom, you have to um, bend down and then sweep the floor. That takes a lot of energy. So this vacuum cleaner basically is a better is you can use it so you don't get back pains, and you can use it while standing with the other versions. So basically, there's a fan which rotates very fast and it sucks the air into it. So with the air, it also sucks all of these particles which you don't want. So it works like this. When I click this switch, it is blowing right now, and when I click the other side, it's sucking. So it sucks all of these dust and all into it. So you just got to demo how it works. So inside this, there's a motor on a stand with the fan attached to its top, and farther from it is a cardboard piece which has holes in it like this. So the air can pass through it, but the dust and all doesn't. And finally, it's covered in the container. There's a nozzle, so you can suck all of these particles in. And the particles are come here and are not allowed to go through because of this piece of cardboard. And at the end, this part, there are also holes like this, so the air which comes in, can go out through here.
You can draw arrows not to show what you want to show. Always draw what you're saying, उसको draw करते जाओ, arrows से direction दिखाओ.
Like this. The air comes in, then it leaves the dust particles behind. They go through the motor and they end up back.
I'm not
Yeah.
satisfied. Can you explain better?
Okay, question?
So when the motor is moving,
Yeah.
so the fans are rotating. So how is actually that creating the suction inside? So the dust particles or any other like particulates which we don't want can be suctioned inside.
So when these fans move, they basically flush out some air molecules in this space here. Air molecules, they travel out with, uh, because of this fan's motion, and there are less molecules than now in the space. So to fill that space, more air particles from up there come in. So we make sure that there are no holes. So air molecules, like there's a hole, so air molecules can't come in through there.
Yeah, but if the fan is flushing out the air as you said from that compartment, so that's it. Why should the air outside? Why that air would be pulled in? क्यों पुलोगे वो एयर अंदर? फ्लश आउट हो गई एयर, खत्म बात है. Should stop.
So air here there are low particles here, and there are more particles here. Like when you are in a crowded place and there's an empty space, you try to rush there. So these air particles rush here because there's an empty space here to fill. And they are not doing it themselves. There's a force between the particles, bronium, which forces them to come here.
How is that force there? I mean, how? How is there any kind of a force that is like pulling it in?
Um, it's not like pulling it in. It's like the particles are traveling themselves, like on their free will, not actually will. There's a force like bronium. So there are a lot of people here. So this atom here, right here, particle, wants to go there, but it cannot because there's a particle here. It wants to go there, it cannot. Wants to go there, but it cannot. So there's only one way. There are some atoms here, only some particles. So this particle travels here and goes here.
Okay. But why would it want to go there? That's the
It
question.
doesn't want to. It's like particles are always moving. They never don't stay still. So they are always bumping into each other. So because of that bumping, they end up here.
You want to ask something?
When the vacuum cleaner is full of dust, then how will we take out it?
She asked something.
Yeah. Yeah. I was thinking of making a compartment here, but I didn't. So that's my fault. It's totally on me. So yeah,
So you
the
can
a compartment can be
Complicated thinking
made
already.
here. So you can open it. You can take out all the dust. You can close it again.
Sure. How?
क्वेश्चन से पूछ लिया.
Okay. Anything else? किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
Question.
How does the body of the vacuum cleaner matters in the efficiency?
Body shape.
Yes.
Shape of the body. I mean, hers also works, right? It's very different shape. पूरा उसका अलग है. You also asking, does shape matters?
The shape of the nozzle matters. If you have a thin nozzle, like it's longer, you can suck up more dust particles at once.
If the
But
nozzle is thinner, suction is better. As in, if the diameter is smaller, suction is better. You're saying, is it?
no,
No.
I'm not saying that yet. If it's more stretched out, you can suck in more dust particle at once because it's covering more area. Like it's covering this much at once.
बॉडी जो पीछे बॉडी है उसकी शेप से फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
No.
तुम्हें लगता है फर्क पड़ता है बॉडी की शेप से? लगता है? ठीक है. Anything? Done?
Yes.
It would be good if you mention more words like जैसे तुम explain कर रहे थे more crowded and also high pressure, low pressure. कैसे high pressure zone, why it is called high pressure as compared to the other zone? Why does particles start to move from high pressure to low pressure? How does that happen? That is what Arnav was asking actually. You know? Okay. Okay, thank you.